Ito ang mas pinatatag at mas pinalinaw. Ang himpilang mas pinagkakatiwalaan.
My station.
89.1 Idol FM Legazpi.
Sa Bicol, Idol.
Member KBP.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems.
Idol Live Report.
T-Box nagpatanid sa
kasunduan para sa pinagigibong medical mission.
mobile blood donation.
Daraga Municipal Agricultural
Ulangon and resupply missions.
Idol Franz sa tuya po na intern from Bicol University.
Ang kapang detalye ng patok na balita na kay Mabel Maglaki.
Yan dyan live, ma-report si Idol Ruby Belardo dyan sa Santo Domingo, Albay.
Detalles kay Joseph James Sullivan. James,
Detalye ng putok na balita na kay Idol Iris Tripulca.
si Jasper Buena sa linya.
Internship was indeed a life-changing experience to a student. Ibang experience sa loob ng school at mismong nasa media company. Iba ang lesson lang kapag nasa work field na. With this, we were able to experience, through guidance of Idol FM Legazpi, what it feels like to be in a media world context.
We were able to understand how to do news writing, the etiquettes and ethics, especially live reporting, which was a roller coaster experience for us. Sa katunayan, third day pa lang namin, dineploy na kaagad kami sa field para mangalap ng iba't ibang impormasyon at mag-live report. Little did we know that yung pagsabak namin kaagad sa field would make us better.
We were also involved in various tasks such as data gathering, where we learned to research and collect information relevant to news stories and programming. Pumunta kami mismo sa iba't ibang regional offices para makakuha ng first-hand information sa gagawin naming news article. Napakalaking oportunidad na makapanayam ang mga regional directors or even spokesperson ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno.
Through hands-on involvement, we honed our skills in hosting and co-hosting radio segments, learning to engage listeners through. Actually, nakapag-live program kami na talaga namang isa sa mga memorable experiences namin dito sa estasyon. We felt a roller coaster of emotions that time. Andiyan na yung saya, yung kaba at excitement. The whole internship journey was full of colors that brought us to mold ourselves to become media practitioners.
It was also memorable for us to participate in doing voiceovers for a radio commercial for Idol FM Naga. Apart from that, recording and editing taught us the technical skills needed to produce high-quality audio content. Napakaganda ng feeling na kami mismo ang nag-edit ng recorded news namin. It feels like we were one of the technical staffs in the production. Never did we expect to also do this jockeying na experience namin na mag-play ng iba't ibang genre ng musika, mapa-classic man, mga modern songs o awitin na paborito ng mga tagapakinig sa panahong ito.
So those experiences, realizations, and learnings serve as a stepping stone for bigger goals as well as eye-opener of a context in the media field. Fortunately, ito pong Idol FM Legazpi or Idol FM Company was very caring and supportive sa pag-nurture po sa amin during our stay. And grabe yung pasasalamat namin sa kanila dahil malaki yung naitulong sa amin throughout this journey. Kahit medyo maikli yung time na we spent with them, every single moment was memorable and precious without a single doubt. And now as we step out into the world beyond, we carried with us the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the memories cherished. Yan ang baretang halidigdi sa luwas.
Yan ang bareta, halidigdi sa luwas.
Yan ang dugang na bareta halidigdi sa siyudad ng Legazpi.
Yan ang bareta halidigdi sa probinsya Canalbay.
Yan ang Bareta Halidig sa lalawigan ng Albay.
At yan ang mga Bareta Haligdigdi sa luwas. Ako si Irish Adeline Tripulcap.
Ako si Jasper Buen.
Ako po si Idol Ruby Bilardo.
Ako si Idol Joseph James Rivas.
Ini si Mabel Maglaki.
Ako si Franz Marie Rubis para sa mas pinagkakatiwalaang himpilan sa Kabikolan.
89.1
89.1
89.1
89.1
89.1 Idol FM Legazpi sa Bicol, Idol.